Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a gorgeous Yamaha YB1 50 4-stroke. I really love the design and look at these bikes, and I think as the years go on we're going to really kind of cherish these things. We're really going to they're going to be very sought after. This is a newer model, kind of 00, which is 2000 for you guys who aren't in Ireland. But I really love the tank and colour scheme of this bike. I think it matches really well, kind of from the darker blues, greys, and then into the lighter blues. It runs like a Swiss watch. These engines are really beautiful. They're very nice to ride. Capable of about 65-70 kilometers an hour if you're lucky. This one only has 3,101 kilometers on it, which is pretty amazing. And we know the full history of this bike, so we brought this bike in personally from Japan, and then we sold it to the ex-owner, and now he's traded it back into us. So we have the full circle of this bike, so we know it's been at least decently well looked after, and it's been looked after by us the whole of its life here in Ireland. So starting from the front then, we actually put new tires on when we sold the bike. The tires are good at the front. The front mudguard has little signs of pitting in the chromes, but nothing a metal wire kind of brush wouldn't do there to get that to clean up. Front forks are really good condition. Headlamp and indicators all very good. Similar kind of thing on the chrome here. Probably just at the time you want to try and save it, it would be perfect. Up over the top then, we're missing a left hand side mirror. We're going through the center here, all very good. Switchgear good, grips are okay. Center of the tank down through is looking good. We have a little mark here, and we have a little mark here on the right hand side, but I'll show you that when we get to the right hand side. Left hand side of the tank is in really nice condition. Left hand side cover, side cover good here. That there is actually just a bit of crap oil, I'd say, maybe from a fingerprint. And we have all down here, all really nice. Chrome again on the back, good, okay. Up here, little bits of sign of surface rusting, but I'm being extremely fussy with the bike. You do have to remember now, when you're looking here on Done Deal or all other websites, they're not going into the detail we're showing. What you'll see on a picture won't be what you see in person. This is what you're going to see in person. So around the whole way, seat is in good condition here. I think that might be a recover because it doesn't have the Yamaha sign at the back. We have a side cover on the right hand side, perfect. Exhaust is actually in nice condition. Everything at the rear here all good. Kickstart only bike this. That is actually your air filter disguised. Look at those older oil filters. Right hand side of the tank is good apart from this mark here, which you can see. And other than that, you can see the frame, all really nice condition. Overall, a superb little bike coming on, what is it, 24, 25 years old now. So for the age, we're looking really nice. So that's it for the visual analysis. Let's go for a ride. Okay, so we're starting off on the Yamaha YB1. I have slightly changed the camera settings for this video, so I'm hoping it looks good. I'm going for 4K this time for the ride along as well, so I'm hoping that if I just check here, sorry, bear with me, but yeah, you should be able to see the bike pretty good. Okay, so starting this bike, put the tank on reserve here. You can put it on if you have a bit more fuel, and then it's just a kickstart, a bit of choke, probably needs a bit of warming up, and then first kick. So I'll just let it warm up slightly. There we go. I can't remember if it's all down. Yeah, it's all down. So it's all down with the gear, 4-speed. First thing you'll notice, it's pretty nippy. I've put a little bit of choke on, I'd say. I'm running out of fuel, I think, which is the sad part. I will go into neutral. Oh, I've cut out. I may just wheel her back. It would be good if I'd had some petrol in it, wouldn't it? Or let it warm up slightly. Where am I going? Let's put it on this there. There we go. Okay, warmed up, and away we go. Yeah, so we're a bit low on fuel. That's probably why I'm flicking between on, reserve and prime, so messing around with it. But now we're off and it's really riding lovely, as you can see. All very nice, still recording, that's all very good. Using the clutch here now. These are really beautiful bikes to ride with the clutch. It's just nice to have. I prefer it over just the traditional seesaw gears that you have on the Honda 50s and the likes. But as you can see, uphill now, easing into 45 kph. You get that red light. People always ask us about the red, oh, my engine's going to blow up. It's actually a speed warning. It was mandatory on these JDM specification bikes that when you're hitting the speed limit of 45 kph in Japan, that the speed warning would come on. So that's what that is for. A little kid having a look. But yeah, we can come at the speed. You're going well easily, 60 kph here down the hill. I'm going to slow down a little bit, turn in left here. And yeah, absolutely lovely. Once we get it running and warmed up, I didn't warm the bike up at all there, so that's kind of my fault. It had been sitting for probably a week and a half, 2 weeks, so you know, on these old car bikes, that's just what you have to expect. And he's going to go left here. And like I said, we don't cut anything out really. Like I'll probably cut out me just sitting there, giving it some revs and warming it up. But this is what it is. It started very easily, went through all the gears, everything like that. Not trying to hide anything from you guys. Bike is running very, very sweet. I'll put it into neutral. Needed a run out, but this is what these bikes need. They need to be run. They need to be used. So anyway, rear brake light, I'll test here as it's here. Indicators then, front left indicator working nicely, rear left indicator working nicely, rear right indicator working, front right indicator working, and then if I just give it another little kick here, you'll see the front headlamp. And we'll turn that on. See that there? Front headlamp working. It's idling there as well now. So that's been the lovely little blue and dark blue with a little grey in it. Yamaha YB1 50cc, 4-speed, kickstart only. Beautiful little bike. Really nice to ride, much preferred over like a Honda 50, more cafe racer kind of look to it. Super nice little thing. But that's in it for this video. If you have liked the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. And if you do want to reach out to us, our socials are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.